Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the computer upgrade King Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop, a powerhouse that combines top-tier performance with stunning design. If you're on the hunt for a gaming PC that can handle the most demanding titles and elevate your gaming experience, this is the one for you. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Intel 12-core i7-12700KF processor. This chip is built for serious performance. With 12 cores and 20 threads, it can handle anything you throw at it, from heavy multitasking to running the latest AAA games at ultra settings. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content, the i7-12700KF ensures smooth, lag-free performance, no matter what. For graphics, this system is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, one of the most powerful GPUs on the market. With cutting-edge ray tracing and AI-powered features, you can expect incredible visuals, high frame rates, and support for the latest gaming technologies, such as 4K gaming and immersive VR experiences. If you want to experience your games like never before, this GPU delivers on all fronts. The Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, providing more than enough memory for multitasking, running high-performance applications, or switching between games without a hitch. Whether you're creating content, editing videos, or just gaming at the highest level, this amount of RAM ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Storage is also top-notch, with a 1TB NVMe Gen4 SSD. That means lightning-fast load times, quick boot UPS, and enough space to store all your games, files, and media. No more waiting for your games or apps to load. Everything will be ready to go in an instant. And it doesn't stop there. The Stratos Micro features liquid cooling to keep everything running cool, even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the RGB lighting adds an extra touch of style to your setup, giving you full control over the color and lighting effects to match your personal taste. With Wi-Fi support and Windows 11 Pro, you're ready for fast and reliable online gaming and productivity, all while enjoying the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. In summary, if you're looking for a powerful, visually stunning gaming desktop that can handle anything you throw at it, the computer upgrade King Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop is a fantastic choice. You can click the link below to get yours today at the best price. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your gaming setup. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next review. Take care.